Henan Liming Heavy Industry Science and Technology Company Limited is an international group corporation which integrated research and development, production, sales and after-services as a whole. Together with 6 subsidiaries, Liming is specialized in producing mineral crushers, sand-making machines, and industrial mills of over 30 varieties and hundreds of models. Nowadays, Liming has already formed a complete products chain leading by series of crushers and grinding mills, supplemented by vibrating screen, vibrating feeder, and other auxiliary machines. As a corporation driven by technical innovation, Liming keeps pace with the world and adopts advanced technology and modern management from America, Germany, Sweden, etc. Liming has won 10 national patents of invention and 20 national patents of utility model. Products made by Liming have passed the ISO 9001-2008 International Quality System Certification and CE certification for exporting to European Union. Hundreds of machining equipments enable Liming to produce 2,500 sets of machines annually, including various kinds and models of crushers and grinding mills to meet the needs of customers home and abroad. Crushers produced by Liming includes mobile crushing and screen plant, Predel type mobile crushing and screen plant, VSI 5X efficient centrifugal impact crusher, PEW European type jaw crusher, PFW European type impact crusher, CS high efficiency spring cone crusher, HP series high efficiency hydraulic crusher, impact crusher, VSI vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screen, vibrating feeder, etc. Grinding mills produced by Liming mainly are ML series vertical mill, MTW European type trapezium mill, TGM series super pressure trapezium mill, HGI micro powder grinding mill, Raymond mill, ball mill, etc. Liming is capable to provide a complete crushing plant of concrete aggregate with a capacity of 50 to 800 ton per hour and various crushing, screening, and grinding solutions. Therefore, Liming machineries could be widely applied in various industries, such as construction, mining, chemical engineering, coal, cement, refractory industry, etc. With the strength of high-quality and professional international after-service team, Liming gradually stands out from other companies of the same trade in China, has won and will win more favorable report in the world. The outstanding crushing plant. The crushing production line of Liming generally consists of the vibrating feeder, jaw crusher, impact crusher, cone crusher, vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screen, belt conveyor, electrical control panel, etc. Capacity of the production line varies from 50 to 800 TPH according to customers' requirements. In order to meet various requirements of customers, Liming constructs and reconstructs crushing production line in accordance with the local conditions, with the purpose of maximizing customers' economic benefits and optimizing their investment structure. Liming will conduct on-the-spot investigation, specific planning and designing, and be responsible for installation, debugging, and after-service. Materials will be evenly fed into jaw crusher by vibrating feeder for primary crushing, and then be carried to impact crusher or cone crusher by belt conveyor for secondary crushing. Then the crushed materials will be fed into vibrating screen for separation according to their sizes. The materials with the required size will be transported by belt conveyor as the finished products, while the materials with a larger size which can't meet demands will fed into the impact crusher for reprocessing. And this is the so-called closed-circuit crushing. The finished products can be separated by sizes according to customers' requirements. The production line can be equipped with the dedusting equipment for environmental protection, or reshaping equipment to make the end products in cubic granule for express highway, high-speed railway, and airport construction. Working site. Working site of stone crushing in Shenyang for subway construction. crushing production line in Suriname of South America with a capacity of 150 to 200 ton per hour. Mainly consists of vibrating feeder GZD 1100 by 4200, jaw crusher PE 750 by 1060, impact crusher PF 1315, and a vibrating feeder 4 YZS 2160. This production line crushes granite for concrete mixing, and the end products will be separated into 0 to 6 millimeters, 6 to 12 millimeters, 12 to 22 millimeters, and 22 to 32 millimeters. The crushing production line in Indonesia can process 200 ton of iron ore per hour. The main equipments are jaw crusher PE 750, X 1060, and impact crusher PF 1315. Finished products of this production line is going to export to the iron and steel plants in China. Superior sand-making plant. The sand-making plant of Liming includes a vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screen, sand washing machine, belt conveyor, electrical control panel, etc. According to specific situations, vibrating feeders and crushers are possible to be added in the production line. The capacity varies from 50 to 800 TPH. Through years of development, VSI series vertical shaft impact crusher is released to the public splendidly and defends the leading authority of Liming once again. Nowadays, it has been applied in various fields, such as construction, water conservancy and hydropower, express highway, high-speed railway, concrete, etc. Red Flag Canal Reservoir, Gezhouba South to North Water Diversion Project, Three Gorge Hydroelectric Project are some of the masterpieces of Liming's sand-making production line. Bulks of material firstly are fed into jaw crusher evenly and smoothly for primary crushing, and then be carried to vertical shaft impact crusher through belt conveyor for further crushing. The finished products after processing will be carried to vibrating screen by belt conveyor for separation. Materials with the required size will be processed by sand washing machine and then be transported by belt conveyor as the finished products, while material with a larger size which can't meet requirements will be fed into vertical shaft impact crusher for reprocessing. And this is the so-called closed-circuit production line of sand making. The finished products can be separated by their sizes according to customers' requirements. There are crushers such as impact crusher, small jaw crushers, can be added in this production line if the input size is larger than the input opening of vertical shaft impact crusher. Also, dry process technology, classifier, and dedusting devices can be adopted additionally if they are needed. Working site: sand-making production line in Lingbao of Henan Province, with a daily output of about 900 tons. Consists of hopper, impact crusher, vibrating screen, vertical shaft impact crusher, sand washing machine, and a number of conveyor belts. Like a small portable stone crushing factory, the mobile crushing plant combines feeding, crushing, screening, and transporting in one, with very broad application prospects. The mobile crushing plant can enter the mining site to work directly, so that saves the transportation cost of the raw material. It is also equipped with independent generator so that it can generate normally in remote areas without power supply. According to different requirements of customers, we can provide with a targeted configuration. It can operate with one single crushing station, and also can work with multiple crushing plant. That means it not only can work with one single plant, but also can work jointly with composing a multiple-stage crushing and screening plant. With more than 20 years manufacturing experience of crushing equipment, Liming Heavy Industry undergoes each equipment strict debugging before leaving factory, which ensures every crushing plant operating stably with reliable performance and try to maximize the benefits of customers. mighty grinding mill. With expansion of production scale in metals and minerals, cement, construction and metallurgy industries, the grinding mill, which focused on energy conservation and emission reduction, has been playing the irreplaceable role in milling industry. As the leading enterprise of Chinese grinding mill industry, Liming is the most prominent trendsetter who make unceasing endeavors to develop the new generation of grinding mills. From Raymond Mill, Ball Mill, TGM Series Super Pressure Trapezium Mill to MTW Series European Type Trapezium Mill, the HGM Series Micro Powder Grinding Mill, and then LM Series Vertical Mill, Liming has successfully defended and will continue to guard its leading authority by inspirated innovations. For the above-mentioned trapezium mills, the discharging size is adjustable. The capacity is 50 TPH at most, with a passing ratio of 80% to 100%. In addition, the HGM series micro powder grinding mill can grind material into 5 micrometers with a capacity of 5 TPH, while the passing ratio varies between 80% to 100%. The complete set of grinding mill is a closed-circuit production system, which generally includes a small jaw crusher, bucket elevator, feeder, grinding mill, blower, back filter, packing machine, electrical control cabinet, etc. Liming provides not only various quality, reliable grinding mills with high-performance price ratio, but also the overall design and construction scheme of the grinding production line. The grinding mill can be widely used to grind non-flammable and non-explosive materials with most hardness below 9.5 and moisture content below 6% into finished products of 2 to 3,250 metric, such as barite, calcite, talcum, marble, limestone, granite, basalt, ceramic, glass, coal, slag, etc. Thus, the grinding mills can be applied in mining, electric power, chemical, building materials, metallurgy, and refractory industries. Working site. This YGM 130 grinding production line was installed in Darwin City of Australia in 2006. It is capable to grind limestone into 0.2 millimeters with a capacity of 12 tons per hour. This super pressure trapezium mill, TGM 160, was installed in Iraq at the end of 2008. With 90% of finished products is smaller than 200 meshes. It is able to grind 8 tons of limestone per hour. Forge brand with integrity. Upgrade brand with quality. Liming boasts an experienced and professional overseas service team, which is obliged to provide customers with consummate services pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale. Liming dispatches, year after year, a group of experienced engineers to customers' working sites to provide related after-services as installation, debugging, and technical training. Through internet marketing, participating in national and international trade fairs, and many other channels, Liming has successfully established long-term business partnerships with numerous overseas mining enterprises. Liming products are sold to more than 90 countries and regions in Asia, Africa, the Americas, Europe, Australia, etc., and are well received by customers. Great times gestate great corporations, devoted to forge China top brand and to develop national industry. Liming is marching into the future to build the international first-class brand of mining machinery with strong momentum and inspirated innovation.